So today we're cooking live lobster, and we're going to use one of my beautiful plates from Home Decor by Donna. And I'm going to go to the garden and pick some flowers so that you can sort of see how we put it all together in a beautiful, homey kind of way that you can do it too. So first, we're going to start with the broth. And I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful, tasty broth by using herbs like thyme, carrots, celery, and onion. And you'll roll them all up into a little ball like this, almost like a little present. And you'll drop that in your broth or your hot boiling water. So putting a little wine in your broth never hurts, and it helps make the lobster a little bit drunk. This is the most action I've had in 9 weeks during the pandemic. You want to make sure that these are moving so that you know everything is very fresh and alive. And then when you enter it into your pot, put it face down, just like that. Bing. Bye-bye. He's nice and drunk now. And then set your timer for about 15 minutes. And we're over here, we're making our butter sauce. So it'll all mix together for a very delicious lunch. So here we are with our melted butter. Put in our beautiful bowl, like that. And now, our star for the day is going to come out, and I'm going to show you. This lobster is so big, I need 2 tongs. Here we go. Onto our beautiful plate. Now look how beautiful that is. Now make sure it's a nice pink, beautiful color, like this. And here's our star victim for the day. So I'm going to put this back on the stove. Thank you for joining me today for Donna, Home Decor by Donna. Check me out on the website and check out my new Instagram account. You're going to love everything that I have curated on this website.